There's an artist named Parker McCullum, and he announced a couple weeks ago that he was gonna have a concert in Edinburgh, which is down in the valley. And I'm from Brownsville, so it's only an hour away. So if I'm gonna go to one of his shows, it's probably gonna be that one. So for this recording, I'm just gonna check how much the prices are to go to that concert. Let's see. All right, find tickets. Man, if I were gonna go, I'd probably sit somewhere around 109 or mm, either 109, the edge of 110, or the pit. So I guess let's just see. Okay, so 109 is 214. It's a little better in row 110, and then in the pit, pretty much as long as you buy a ticket and you get there early, you can get as close as right here. So $200, and let's just to see back here, $59, 76. So for an artist like him, that's not too bad. Well, I guess that's pretty much all I have then.